We're going to talk about an area that a lot of people don't seem to want to talk about, which is actually metrology. We have a course called 130 Metrology Concepts. The idea of this course is to show the complete metrology performance program, what the calibration program is all about, measuring and test equipment that's used, the types of metrology, whether it be mechanical or electrical, the measurement uncertainty, which is an extremely important concept today because of the fact that we don't really talk about accuracy anymore. The proper term is uncertainty. This measurement is made with an uncertain value of what? And then, of course, the treatment of data. We acquire data over a number of calibration cycles, and the importance is that we want to determine how often should something be calibrated. And that's dependent upon whether or not it's moving out of that arena as far as being accurate, or the uncertainty is still within the acceptable results. And that way we'll look at that. And the measurement techniques you have to apply to properly get the information. We've got to look at those aspects. Now, who should attend something like this? Well, as it turns out, we've had companies that have decided to actually have everybody in their organization attend this. I'm talking about the technicians that actually do all of the actual work as far as the measurements and taking data and that, the engineers who set up things, the managers who are running it, and also, you wouldn't expect this, but the office personnel, secretaries, and the ones that are taking that kind of information, and more importantly, believe it or not, the people who actually pick up the equipment and bring it to the lab. Now, you wouldn't think that's too important, but in talking with these people afterwards, they said, you know, I now know that what I need to do as far as handling this equipment, I have to really be careful because of the fact that just me moving it from over here to there, I can cause it to have damaging effects. And so the prerequisites can be anybody in the organization or anyone who actually would like to learn more about metrology and what it's all about. And what you gain? You'll gain a tremendous amount of information of what you need to appreciate and what needs to be done. Now, what's also important is because of the fact that we have a tremendous number of people retiring in the near future, and that is going to, you know, the baby boomers are coming about, and a tremendous number of people are going to just leave, and no one will be able to do their jobs. So it's up to you now to get this started so that you'll be able to continue to do the work that you necessarily need to do your jobs.